Hi everybody, it's Kathy. I'm creating a screencast to show you what you need to do in order to set up your professional portfolio. So start on the home page of our class and then navigate to the professional portfolio button on the left hand side. When you click on that button, you'll be taken to the area where you have your portfolio's home page. Under My Portfolios, go ahead and click on that. And then you'll have the option to create a personal portfolio or a basic portfolio. For this class, I'd like you to create a personal portfolio. So click on that. Then you'll have some options that you need to set. You're going to be creating a new portfolio, not selecting an existing portfolio template. Give your portfolio title, EDTE 522 personal portfolio, or Kathy's personal portfolio, something like that. You'll be able to edit this later if you want, and I can just type in a short description. This is my portfolio area. And then your next step is to save and continue. Once you get to the second area under Style, you can choose a layout. You can choose any kind of layout you want, and again, you can change these whenever you want. So I'm just going to leave the default. I'm going to leave the design background as a default right now. I'm going to leave the font settings as default and page title and all that good stuff as a default for right now. Then the next step is to save and continue. You'll be able to build various pages for your portfolio. What I'd like you to do is create a page for each one of the sections. You're going to have 3 artifacts per section. So if I click Create Page, the first could be Section 1, Facilitate and Inspire Student Learning. And again, for right now, if you want to, you can just copy the description. The page content is where you'll be adding artifacts. If you don't already have artifacts, that's fine. You don't need to add them now. You can add them later. If you already have something created, you can click the Browse button, find that artifact, and then link it to this page. Go ahead and click Submit. And you'll see that you have one page now, Section 1, Facilitate and Inspire, and you can create the rest of the pages as you go. Under Settings, what you'll want to do, obviously your portfolio is not complete yet, we're just getting it set up, but please do make it available so that you can share it with others. I'm not really sure. I've tried to find directions about the comments as private and whether the instructor, me obviously, can make comments while the comments are private. If you want to check that for now, we'll see how that works. This is the first time I've used the personal portfolio in BlackBoard, so it's a learning experience for all of us. Go ahead then and click Submit. So now you'll see that I've started to build my portfolio. I can go back at any time and adjust any of these pieces, the properties, the styles, building the portfolio, adding pages. I can view my portfolio. But make sure that when you get to this step that you go to Share Portfolio, and then under Share With, we want to go ahead and share it with our course. So this will be for the courses, and if you do a search, EDTE 522, click Browse. I guess we'll have to do another search, and it doesn't match exactly, so I'm going to do 522 instead. Whoops, 522, and do a search. And EDTE 522, it's 37101, so I check that. and then make sure I click the submit. So I'm going to get rid of that other class there and click submit. And now I am sharing with our particular class. Okay, so I can go back to the portfolio's homepage. You can see that I now have one personal portfolio. I did mess around a little bit with adding artifacts. You can add artifacts directly by clicking here under personal artifacts. Then you can create a personal artifact and go through the process of giving it a name, a description. You can paste your content in here, and you can also attach files. So in this content area, this is where you would be doing your description of the artifact and which section it meets and which one of those subcategories or more than one subcategories addresses. Once you create that, you would go ahead and click submit. Since I don't have anything, I'm going to click cancel, and now I'm done. So if you go back to the course, and you click on Professional Portfolio again, you'll see that there's your portfolio, and if you want to edit your portfolio at all, click on My Portfolios. You'll see the name of your portfolio, and then you use this drop-down menu here to edit, and then you can go back and add things or change things around. Hope this screencast helped you guys, and it'll be interesting to see how this portfolio feature works for Blackboard. Thanks for experimenting with me. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.